Hello everyone, how are we doing today? You're welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be learning how to wrap with fabric, our insole, and then we're going to be needing our sole. We need the scissors, we need our meter roll, the pen, we need this phone for our filing, just like a hand sanding tool, this for applying gum, our brush, our hammer. We are going to be making use of an Ankara fabric. This is the cardboard we are going to use, and this is the eva, we also call it mako. Let's proceed. First of all, we are going to cut out our mako. This is what we are going to do. We're going to place it this way and cut out the mako. We're going to cut for the two legs. You use your sole to cut out the shape of the mako. What we do next is we are going to cut it out. Now what we do is we also draw it out on the cardboard. Then we are going to apply gum on it. You apply gum on the mako too. And allow to dry. When it is dry, then we'll place it on it and cut it out as well. Now we can see I've cut it out. This is our insole, this is our insole. Now we are going to place it on it. Place it on it this way and check, just to be sure that it's not too big and it's not too small. It's okay if it can have a little excess by the side, about 1 millimeter. You can see this place, it looks a little bit bulky, like it bulged out. So I'm going to use my hand sanding tool to just try to smoothen it out. As you can see, it's sandpaper. I have the rough and the smooth. I just decided to put it on a brush, so you can try and make that yourself too. So what we're going to do now is just try to clear that place up. Yes, we have a very perfect insole now. So what we do next is this. We take our fabric, This is the wrong side and this is the right side. So we're going to place it this way. So it depends on the kind of design you want to be on it. If you want this blue part to be part of it, you can decide to do it this way. You just let it come this way. So for this other one too, you place it the same way, so that the two of them are going to have that kind of, you know, shape or style on each of them. So we're going to use our pen to draw out. You draw out. You do same for those two. As we can see what we have now, the next thing we are going to do is we are going to extend it all around by 1 centimeter, because by the time we put it on it this way, when we put this way, we are going to fold it over it. So we need to extend it by 1 centimeter all around. So just place it this way, extend it. You can get a red pen so that you can easily see what you are extending. So we do that all around, then cut it out.
Mr. F made this.
Now I've cut it out. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to apply gum on this surface. So it must be applied evenly. Yes. After applying this gum, I'm going to place it on the fabric. Now, as you can see, I've already put the fabric. So what you do next is you apply gum all around these edges. Then you fold your fabric all over it. You fold it all over it gently. You fold it gently. As you fold it over it, you pull it so that it will be neat. As you can see, our insole for Ankara fabric is ready. As you can see, it's ready. I believe you have enjoyed the class. Make sure you give this a try. Subscribe to Jibbyfem Forte channel, and make sure you press the notification button. You can also follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at Jibbyfem Forte. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Mr. F made this.